Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about Golang functions. Go functions can take 0 or more arguments as its input. Also, Golang function can return any number of results as its output. Here you can see a sample Golang function structure. Golang function start with func keyword. Following that, we have our function name. Then we open pair of brackets. Within that brackets, we can mention our argument list with their corresponding data type. If there are any arguments, we can have a function with 0 arguments as well. Then after, we keep a space and we open another pair of brackets to place our return type with its corresponding data type, if there is any return value generated by our function. Then after, we open a pair of curly brackets. Within that pair of curly brackets, we place our function body. If our argument list have arguments in same data type, we can only mention that data type for the last argument as shown here. That's it for today's video. Bye.